Hey guys, this is Teacher Eve, and for today's video, you'll be learning how to add similar fractions and mixed numbers. So to begin with, let us discuss first the steps or the procedures in adding similar fractions and mixed numbers. So first, add the whole number parts. Next, add the fraction parts. And then, simplify the answer if necessary. That's all. We only have 3 steps and we're good to go. Now let's move on to our examples. So first, we have here find the sum of 8 and 6 tenths and 3 and 2 tenths. So here, again, the first step is add the whole numbers. So here we have add whole numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then we have to add this time the fraction parts. Now remember that to add similar fractions, all we have to do is just add the numerators and then copy the common denominator. So we add 6 plus 2, that is 8, and then copy the same denominator, which is 10. Of course, you have to take note, you have to express the final answer in lowest term. And with this one, with 8 tenths, 8 and 10 has a greatest common factor, which is 2. So we divide both numbers by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. 10 divided by 2, that gives us 5. Therefore, our final answer is 11 and 4/5. There you have it. Make sure that your final answer is expressed in lowest term. There's a second example. We have here 5 and 5/8 plus 2 and 6/8. So first, add the whole numbers together. We have 5 plus 2, that gives us 7. And then 5 plus 6, that's 11. And then copy the same denominator. Oops, we have here a whole number plus an improper fraction. Again, you cannot express your final answer with this format. So what you're going to do is you have to express 11/8 or convert 11/8 into a mixed number. So how do we do that? We simply divide 11 by 8. Again, we divide the numerator by the denominator to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So again, that is 11 divided by 8. That is 11 divided by 8. That is 1. 1 minus 8, that's 8. And subtract 11 minus 8, that gives us a difference of 3. So 11/8 is equal to 1 and 3/8. This one. So add 7 plus the mixed number form of 11/8, which is 1 and 3/8. And that gives us a sum of 7 plus 1, that is 8 and 3/8. There. Make sure to circle your final answer. Third example, we have 10 and 4/12 plus 5 and 6/12 plus 3 and 5/12. So here we are adding 3 mixed numbers. So again, it's just the same thing. Add the whole numbers. So 10 plus 5, that's 15, plus 3, that is 18. The whole number is 18. Copy the same denominator. And then let's add the numerator this time. So 4 plus 6, that is 10, plus 5, that's 15. So we have here 18 and 15/12. Now, as you can see, we can still reduce 15/12 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator with their GCF, which is 3. So 15 divided by 3, that gives us 5. And 12 divided by 3, that gives us 4. So instead of writing, okay, let me rewrite. That is 18 and 5/4. But then again, this one is not yet expressed in simplest form because as you can see, 5/4 is an improper fraction. So again, convert 5 fourths into a mixed number. So that is 5 divided by 4. That's 1. 1 times 4, 4, and that gives us a remainder of 1. So 5 fourths is equal to 1 and 1 fourth. So let's write it here. That's 18 plus the equivalent of 5 fourths into mixed numbers, which is 1 and 1 fourth. Adding this to 18 plus 1 and 1 fourth, that gives us 19 and 1 fourth. So the sum of these three mixed numbers here is 19 and 1 fourth.